Who gets that one? Who gets it? Ooh-wee. Who did get it? Where's it at? I didn't even see who got it. Holy cow. Who got that thing? Somebody in there got it? Huh? They said, I'll eat the grass. They're good babies. They are good babies. Bert, you are kind of a dick, buddy. He's a big, strong, manly man. Is he a big, strong, manly man? Man, that one right there is just, that is a big, big chicken. I don't know why everybody isn't growing Jersey Giants for meat. That's crazy. You need some help, sweetie? Need some help with that grass? Yeah? You'll get it, baby. There you go. There you go. Well, they must be in there tearing that thing apart, because they've a lot of little group in there just having them a smorgasbord, I reckon. Look, she's always got a messy mug. Yeah, you gotta step on it again. There you go. I'm gonna go get you some more grass, okay? I love you, babies.